This product is not a gel, it's a curl enhancing custard, so I guess it's kind of my fault for expecting it to behave like a gel even though I had like a gel-like texture. So today I'm going to be trying and reviewing the Obia Naturals Curl Enhancing Custard. So one of my friends on Instagram, Jasmine, actually recommended this custard to me. We both like some of the same kind of hair gels. I really used to love Kinky Curly Curling Custard. That was my holy grail. And then I recently discovered Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic. And she actually liked that one too, and she said she liked this better. So I was like, okay, if it's better than that, you know, I thought it couldn't get better than Kinky Curly Curling Custard, and it did. And I feel like it's gonna be hard to top Uncle Funky's daughter, but I'm gonna give it a try. As my leave-in, since it's winter time and my hair gets dry really easily, I'm gonna be using the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. So one of the tips that Jasmine gave me was that a little goes a long way, and apply it to soaking wet hair. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna re-wet my hair, but I'm gonna work the leave-in through my hair first, and then I'm gonna put the custard. Now I did look at some reviews just to kind of get an idea of like what to expect. I saw someone did a review comparing it to Eco Styler, and one of the things that they noted was that their hair did shrink up a little bit more, which is fine to me. But what I am hoping for with this product is I want my wash and go to last a long time. I'm hoping it's gonna help with like frizz and keeping my hair frizz free. Usually my hair will frizz around the crown and like the front towards like the day 3 or 4. So we'll see how it holds up there, and just no flaking and no crunching. So, all right, so I have the moisturizer in there. Let me zoom y'all in. All right, so the moisturizer is all in my hair. I'm gonna wet it just a little bit more since she did say apply to soaking wet hair. Okay. And now, so here's what the custard looks like. You can see it's kind of like jelly-like. It's not quite as thick as something like Curl Enhancing Smoothie, but it's not like a translucent gel. So I'm gonna take, she said a little goes a long way, but I'm heavy-handed. I'm gonna take about this much for this section of hair. Let's see how this goes. Okay. So I'm gonna start from root to end, and how does it feel? It doesn't really, let me see. I'm gonna take a little bit more because I'm heavy-handed. Okay. So I don't know if I need to add more. I can't really feel quite where it's different, so I'm just gonna add like a little more to the ends and hope I got it there. Maybe that's a good thing. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. The end result will be the final determining factor. So I've kind of shingled my hair with the product and with my leave-in, so they're kind of both mixed in there. Let me see. This looks pretty good and defined. I have high hopes still. So it has a very light smell. Like, it barely smells like anything. So if you don't like things that are scented or very fragrant, I think you might enjoy this product. So I'm almost done applying the product, and I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and tell you right off the bat, yeah, this is definitely not gonna be the product if you want elongation. I would say that it does help with definition. I wouldn't say it defines like some gels that I've used, but it does, you know, it does define. It might not define as well, and we're lacking in the elongation department. But in a second, when I'm done, I'm gonna look at the product claims and see if there's something I should even be expecting, you know? Because a lot of times as consumers, we have expectations versus reality. Like, we'll expect the product to make our hair do things that it's not gonna do regardless. So let me check myself first. So looking at the product claims, it says it's pH balanced, it's packed with antioxidants. It's gonna leave your hair soft, shiny, and deeply moisturized. So there are no claims of elongation or definition even, so that was my fault. So that's on me for expecting that. However, I guess I kind of was expecting a little bit more definition because it's called Curl Enhancing Custard, you know? But we'll let it dry, see how it looks a little bit later on. I have some thoughts about this product now. You know, let's start. So my hair is, as you can see, this is very shrunken. Like this is how my hair would look usually without product or without like gel, if like I let it dry like completely. Like it's very shrunken. I'm not used to it being this shrunken. I like to wear it somewhat stretched or like have some kind of elongation, you know. I'm feeling a little bald-headed, getting bald-headed vibes a little, you know. Not really, but in the beginning when I was applying the product, it was kind of hard for me to tell like where my leave-in was and like where the curling custard was. And so I thought that was kind of a good thing. Like at first it kind of confused me because usually when I use a gel I can feel, you know, the difference. Like it feels different in texture. But this kind of like melted right into what I was using, which was nice. It didn't take forever to dry. It didn't leave like a white cast for a super long time. I did use a diffuser to kind of hurry things up because I had somewhere to go. I had to go to the grocery store, but I want to like it so bad. I can tell how this is gonna fare if I leave it on my hair. So this is the kind of product I think I would use like for a wash and go for that day. I don't see this definition lasting. Like if I go to sleep on this, not only is it gonna smush to my head, but it's gonna take a lot to kind of revive this. And as I've mentioned in some videos before, like the front part of my hair, it doesn't wanna hold any definition ever. So like if I use like a scarf to maybe tie my hair back or something like that, or like you use something to stretch my hair, it's just gonna be a hot mess. I wouldn't repurchase this again just because I think it's a good product. My hair, I will say, it feels soft. It feels very nice and soft. It doesn't feel hard or crunchy. But for the way that I like to style my hair, for the way that I like to wear my hair, you know, I prefer a little more elongation. I'm not really a fan of how shrunken hair, like really shrunken hair looks on me. To be honest, I'm probably gonna redo this wash and go with Curly Magic tomorrow. Again, this product is not a gel, it's a curl enhancing custard, so I guess it's kind of my fault for expecting it to behave like a gel even though I had like a gel-like texture. It's a no for me, dog. If you guys have ever tried this stuff, please let me know what your experience was like, or maybe is it the combination of products I'm using? Did you use a gel with this? Did you use a different leave-in with this? What were your results like? I feel like at this point, I took one for the team. And for that, you should subscribe. As for always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!